Mitch at JM, sa loob ng 3 taon ng inyong pagiging magkatipan, ay sinikap nyo na magkaisa ang inyong puso at kalooban.
Mahal, thank you for remembering the things na gusto ko, for taking care of me, sa lahat ng kailangan ko, for making it easy pag alam mong nahihirapan ako, and for always saying na everything's going to be okay. You're always a reminder na binigyan ako ni Lord ng isang malaking blessing. Halata naman. Nagsimula sa Facebook request ang love story natin. Hindi ko na-realize na nung time na in-accept kita as a friend, ay in-accept ko na din ang magiging partner ko for life. Naisip ko tuloy, ang galing talaga ni Lord. Inihanda niya ako para sa taong tama na ibibigay niya sa akin.
We can see for miles down this highway. It's a feeling that you couldn't replace if you tried.
Di ba pag nag-add mo, merong wave option. So nag-wave ako, nag-wave. Ayun!
Dreams, we got the grass underneath our feet. This is how it's supposed to be.
Kinabukasan, inahaya ko na agad ng date. Kaso di pumayag. Ouch! Kaya lang, the next day, ang ginawa ko, pinunta ko na sa trabaho. No choice na siya.
You and me together, ain't nothing better, yeah. You and me together, on and on and on and on. We found freedom in the simple.
Mostly, puro date for 3 months. Then after 3 months, hindi ko na talaga pinagtagal. Kung tinanong ko na kung pwede ba kita maging girlfriend.
Sabi tayo, hindi mo daw nililigaw na.
Ganun nga. So, umaw naman.
Alam ko na agad na pangmatagalan or panghabang buhay pa pala ang magiging samahan natin. Kaya naman hindi ko na talaga pinahaba. Panliligaw ko lang.
You and me together, ain't nothing better, yeah. You and me together, on and on and on and on.
Ay, mahal. Sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Thank you sa love mo sa akin. I love you. JM. Hello!
You and me together, there ain't nothing better. You and me together, on and on and on and on. You and me together, ain't nothing better, there ain't nothing better. You and me together, you and me together, on and on and on. You and me together, there ain't nothing better, ain't nothing better. You and me together, on and on and on. One night was two before I could.
Mahal, giving this watch to you means spending all the time in the world with you is all I want from now on. To grow old with you and make you happy for the rest of our lives. Mitch. Mahal, thank you so much. Ang ganda. Salamat. I love you.
I know I'm buying a ring. Guess you made loving you easy. Sometimes you just know. I wanna love you today and again. forever could end, where it all ends. I wanna love you till I fall apart. I wanna walk with you into the dark. I wanna see where forever could end. I wanna love you
Simula nung nakilala kita,
till my
napuno ng maraming pagmamahal yung buhay ko. Nagkaroon ako ng kakampi sa buhay, nakasama ko sa lahat ng sitwasyon.
even when
Mahirap
things
man o
aren't
masaya.
simple, when life goes and gets
Nagkaroon ako ng pamilya.
you're still the one, and you'll always be.
2021,
Even when
September,
loving ain't easy.
dumating ka sa buhay ko at pinatanong mo sa akin kung paano pahalagahan at mahalin ng sobra.
I wanna love you today and again. I wanna love you tomorrow and then. I wanna see where forever could end.
Mahal, I'm looking forward to more adventures with you. Thank you. Mahal na mahal kita.
I wanna love you till I fall apart. I wanna walk with you into the dark. I wanna see where forever could end. I wanna love you until my last breath. Until my last breath. Whenever
Let's
you
cherish
say
life
it's already
ng magkasama.
I would
To
do
more love,
anything
travels,
for the chance
asaran at kainan. Mahal na mahal kita.
again, over again.